In this video, I'll show you how to do twisted chain stitch. Here's what it looks like when you're finished. This stitch is great for following curves and decorative borders and wreaths. Start by drawing yourself a guideline. I'm using a heat erasable pen here. That means I can erase it with heat when I'm done. I'll be using all 6 strands of cotton embroidery floss for this demonstration, but you could use however many strands you like. Bring your needle up through your fabric on the guideline and pull. Bring your needle back down through your fabric just to the left of your first stitch, leaving a loop. Bring your needle up through your fabric on your guideline just above your first stitch. Twist your loop, put it over your needle, and then pull. Now you have your first twisted chain stitch. To continue your line, bring your needle down just to the left of your last stitch and just above your last tail, again leaving a loop. Bring your needle back up on the guideline just above your first twisted chain stitch. Twist your loop before placing it over your needle and pull. You'll continue these steps until you reach the end of your line of stitching. I like this stitch because it's not as commonly used as something like regular or reverse chain stitch, so it could help you make more unique borders, vines, and wreaths. I'm also just a huge fan of any stitch that involves loops because they're fun. When you're twisting your loops, make sure you're twisting them in a consistent direction as you move down your line of stitching. I'm using a stand here to keep the shot steady for this video, but you don't need a stand for this stitch. In the description of this video, I'll have a link to my blog where I have written instructions as well as photos of me doing this stitch without a stand. Once you're done with your line of stitching, you can secure your last stitch by bringing your needle down just above your last loop.